Hey guys, so I'm going to do a bit of flying today later on, but it's so hot here. I was looking on TikTok and I found this interesting video. There's no real seasons here in Singapore, it's just kind of the same weather all the time. It's really sunny or rainy. But I did see a cafe on, I think it was TikTok, where in the cafe they bring autumn into the cafe itself. So I'll go and check that out, cool down, get a bite to eat, and then do a bit of flying, and hopefully it'll be a good day today. So let's see how it goes. So I found a cafe here, and it's at the Maxwell Chambers in Singapore. And yeah, so it's supposed to look like autumn when you go inside. So let's take a look. Yeah, so what an unusual cafe to have autumn leaves on the inside of the cafe. You know, I'm kind of missing the seasons here in Singapore, but you know, in Ireland it'd be full on autumn now. It's the end of November now. But I'm going to check out the coffee here and have some cheesecake and see what that's like. So I ordered the coffee and the cheesecake, and I have to say they look pretty damn nice. It would be a shame to cut into that cake and stir that coffee, or drink that coffee. So the staff at the cafe here did something really nice. I didn't ask for this, I didn't say anything, but they're very friendly, and they just came over to me with one of their homemade cookies, although it doesn't look like a cookie to me, but it's very generous of them. So yeah, I'm going to have to do more exercise after this visit, so I'll show you what they brought over. So in this cafe they make their own fizzy kind of homemade lemonades. So I ordered the honey lemonade, and looks very nice. And they've added a couple more biscuits in here. So yeah, you want to have what you're hungry when you get to this place. But it's very nice. Okay, so had a lovely time in that cafe. Cafe Kreams with a K. Definitely recommend it. So I'm on my way now to do a bit of flying. I know that there's some cruise ships in the dock, and going to take a look at the gardens by the bay as well. So let's go.